Hey, yo, check this out. Round 2. Appeal part 2. Because apparently telling YouTube this isn't fair the first time, it wasn't enough. I gotta say it again. Slower. It's like they're hard of hearing. Okay. Y'all remember part 1? No? I appealed. They denied it. Send me a response so generic probably came from a magic 8-ball. Doesn't meet our guidelines, bro. Which guidelines? The one that was written and disappearing in ink, my brother? So here I am, round 2, appeal part 2, because I don't quit. I escalate. This ain't a request no more. It's a follow-up, man, with attitude, yo. So let me break this down. How I even make this content. So y'all can understand ain't nothing about this operation sloppy, you feel me? You see, I use Grok AI to help with my animations. ChatGPT to brainstorm thumbnails ideas. Claude AI to polish up my scripts so I don't sound like I wrote them half asleep at 3 a.m. Which, like, let's be real, sometimes I am, yo. That's content creator life, yo. Creator life, yo. Oh, yeah. I edit with my laptop and my phone, too. Because real creators don't wait for the perfect setup. We make it work with what we got. Yeah. And for shorts, I use Viggle AI in the mix, too. This a whole operation. This ain't no reuse content. It's a pipeline. You feel me? So when YouTube say my content don't meet their guidelines, meet where? Because I'm out here running a whole production studio out my closet, bedroom, living room, and they still got the audacity, man. Meanwhile, some accounts posting recycled TikToks with a robot voice reading Wikipedia and got 200 million views and monetized badges. The algorithm ain't blind now. They're just picky and I'm not on the guest list, I guess. Damn. And it's 2026 and we're living in a world where AI can generate a whole song, but a human can't. Review my shit at 90 seconds at least, or speak or listen to what I have to say. They don't. What the fuck? You see, the robots doing more work than the people getting paid to review robots' work. Crazy. I'm convinced my pill got read by the same intern that respond. We appreciate your patience. Emails copy, paste, denied, repeat. That's not a review process. That's a vending machine, bro. But here's the thing. I'm not stopping. I'm not slowing down. Not changing my format. Because the system can't tell the difference between a human and effort and reuse content told me to. Yo, it's crazy, man. Sad. Sad world we living in. You see, I got tools, man. I got consistency. I got a whole workflow. Grunt, ChatGPT, Claude, my whole laptop, my phone, Viggle. It's crazy, man. That's not a creator cutting corners, man. That's a creator building machine. I'm trying to build something off this, yo. And y'all stopping me for that? Look into this, man. And check it. And YouTube want to sit there act like I'm the problem. Nah, they the ones flagging effort and rewarding laziness. Check your guidelines, man. So this appeal is part 2, like I said the first time. Ain't just a form I'm filling out. This is a statement. I'm documenting every step this time. Screenshots, timestamps, receipts. Because if part 2, fool, man, that shit failed. I'm doing a part 3. And part 3 gonna go public, y'all. Just saying. YouTube really got me out here defending my content. I already know it's good. It's crazy, man. To a system that can't even explain why it's not good. That's not moderation. That's a guessing game with my income on the line. But you know what? I'm still here, still grinding, still using the tools I got to make sure RelaxAndVibeTV don't miss a beat. Appeal denied or not. They can deny the appeal, but they can't deny the work. Part 2 submitted. Let's see if they can read it this time. If not, I got to come back with round 3. Drop a comment if your appeal got denied too, man. Let's compare these receipts, man, so we can get our channels back, get that income, you know? Y'all keep grinding, keep pushing. Don't give up. I'm out.
Subscribe to Relax and Vibe TV and RVTV4. I know we all work every day, every morning, every night, every evening, but you have to come to Relax and Vibe TV to unwind and relax. Just click that subscribe.